Hello friends, myself Paras Mittal. I am Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary by profession. We are bringing another business opportunity here on our channel for you, which is a PNJ Antiques. PNJ Antiques represents Purana Naya Jodo. It's coming for very first time a marketplace who is working into grading and rating of antiques. There are so many marketplaces come up in the recent past like OLX, eBay, which has tried to bring the antique industry into an organized way, but they lack giving a valuation of the antiques. So most of the times what happened, the single listing with the same product, with the same nature, description and characteristics and specification is available at 10 rupee and 1 lakh rupee. So nobody is there to judge the correct value, whether the 10 rupee one is genuine one, whether is 1 lakh rupees one is genuine one. So you cannot estimate because there is no certifying authority which is giving you a grading and rating or value of the antique. So PNJ Antique is bringing a new revolution in organizing the antique industry and giving you the value of the antiques. So everybody who is owning antiques in their sanduk, which is given by the grandfathers and grand to grandfathers, and they don't know that how to sell them, where to sell them and at what value to sell them. So we are bringing a marketplace where you can get your products graded and rated, and you can also estimate the value of the antique. There is a chat with expert feature in PNJ Antiques where you can chat with the experts on 5 minutes, 10-minute basis and to pay them, and then learn and understand about your products before selling them. So before selling, you can share your photos with the antique experts and you can hire them for a 5 minutes and 10-minute chat and understand first about your product. We are coming up for very first time a e-certification program where you can nurture your collection, hobby, talent, and you can join the e-certification program to make a career in the antique trading, which is a totally unorganized one and it's having a huge boom. If I would talk about the international markets, US, UK, China has a huge potential antique industry market. In India, it's totally unorganized one, but after coming of PNJ Antiques, if it becomes even 10% organized, you will have a huge career in the antique trading. In the e-certification program, we are bringing very first time you can learn by visiting to the expert. You will be given a credit hours to chat with expert and site visits to learn at the expert place. You can visit to the expert and you can learn over there. What is the biggest problem PNJ Antique has? PNJ Antique has biggest problem in sourcing the talent. There is no appraiser and valuers available in India, and PNJ Antique has to source all the appraisers and valuers from abroad or to create a new talent hub. How it will create a new talent hub? We have the solution. There are many traders who is working into this industry from last 20 or 30 years. They might be dealing into the furniture, glass item, handicraft, aluminium, bronze, crystals. If they will take it as a career opportunity of making an antique valuation and to deal with the antique trading, it's a huge opportunity they will get and they can really put a valuable contribution. So how is the business opportunity here? We want the business associates who want to join a PNJ Antique team, and they can work towards the sourcing the talent, they can work towards sourcing the products, and they will also help in improvisation of the portal. We have our portal currently in the development stage. It's not live yet. If you want a franchisee and if you are opening a small shop in and around your local area and you are targeting the decorative items, paintings, coins, stamps or any of the antique item, you can rebrand your business with PNJ Antique by taking a franchisee. If you are an investor and want PNJ Antique to be part of your investment, you are most welcome. We are ready to share our business plan, our financial model with you. You can write to us at parascs@gmail.com. If you are a job seeker, you can write us with your CV at parascs@gmail.com, or you can visit to our office, which is available at Punjabi Bagh West. We are having a full operative office at Punjabi Bagh West, New Delhi. PNJ Antique is Department of Industry Policy Promotion Startup registered, and they also applied for patent for their unique method of trading into antique. It's a method and process by which we are bringing the antique industry a totally organized one. So that method and process we applied for the patent. We got incubated by BIMTech, Birla Institute of Management Technology and Education, and we got incubated with them for 6 months, where we developed our prototype, and we are in process of development our website on that prototype. It will be very soon live in the month of March. If you want us to shoot a similar business opportunity which you have with you and you want us to put on our channel, you are most welcome. You can come up with your concept and we will shoot a video for you and put it on our channel. You can subscribe to our channel and you can share the videos with your colleagues, friends and your family, and on your Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever you feel that they could be a good valuable addition to the PNJ Antiques. Do like, do share and do subscribe our channel. Thanks.